One common question is, what does it take to write a play? Well, there are no hard and fast rules about the writing of quality plays. But I think the first thing I will encourage you is read good plays. These days we have so many things that people have written, But if you read a good play, there is no way you will not be influenced. You can also, if you read widely, you can adapt other people's plays. You can adapt a novel, for example, into a play. Look for a very good novel. I remember my professor of blessed memory, Adelugba, who adapted a French play, that's Scoundrel Scapin, into that Scoundrel Suberu. And he toured Nigeria, many universities in the country. As at that time, I was still a student then. You can adapt. The language must not necessarily be in English. That is a mistake we make. Consider your audience first. Are you looking at a local audience? Are you looking at a national audience? Are you looking at an intellectual audience? Are you looking at the commoners? All this should actually condition your mind while writing, so that you don't write a play that is far above or beneath the comprehension of your targeted audience. You can also get themes from happenings around you. You can get themes from the political situation. For example, now we are in Nigeria, we're having the End Bad Governance rally or campaign. It can be a source of you writing a good play. You can go through the scriptures. Maybe you want to write something that has a sense of morality attached to it. Maybe you feel that society is corrupt. So many things are wrong because we do not understand existence. You can look for such things, get a play, write a morality play, letting people understand that life itself is transient, that the moment you are gone, and there are so many examples, the moment you are gone, everything you have labored for goes with you. In fact, at that moment, people start thinking of how to share your assets. So what is the purpose of fighting and dying and killing yourself over anything, So you can adapt, you can look at your environment to pick some things, read novels, read very good novels. When you read them, you can adapt such, for your audience. Like I said once again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is still part of the introductory thing we are doing. We are going to go into more details of all these things, not necessarily approaching all these things from the angle of scholarship. You want to go to the basics, so that even that child who just finished from secondary school will have something to learn and say, yes, based on what I got from this class, I have been able to write this. And when you write, don't forget, don't be afraid. We don't steal ideas. We know there are so many things happening now on the internet. People steal people's ideas and markets. You can be assured of one fact, that it will not happen with arts cornucopia. Always subscribe to our channel. We love you.